And this one? Rectangle. Very good. O, sige. Dikit tayo. Opo. I'm gonna open the blue, ha? You're gonna make dikit. Blue. This is? Blueberry. Kita. Opo. Dikit, ha? Inside the big circle, you will put a small circle. Okay, dahan-dahan. Very good. Very basic. You tap it like this. You tap it. Very good. How about this one? Yeah. How about this one? Where is triangle here? Are you gonna place it where? Here.
Very good.
Okay, very good. Very good, baby. You're gonna put glue. Yeah. Oh, you put it there. On the bigger one. Inside the bigger triangle. Where is it? You're gonna put it right there. Very good. You tap it. You tap it. Very good. How about this one? Can you get that? Can you get that? Nasa paa mo na. How about this one? What is this? What is this? The oval. Yeah, you need dikit. Wow, you're gonna put blue. It's going to get empty na. The blue. Inside the bigger oval. That's oval shape. Oval. Up, then, very good. How about this one? What shape is this? This is a square. Square. Are you gonna put some glue? Glue. Okay, glue. We're gonna put you here. Okay, glue. We're gonna put you here. Very good. We're gonna put inside the bigger square. Very good. How about this one? What is this? What shape is this? Triangle. This is a rectangle. Very good. You're gonna put on the bigger one. Okay. You're gonna tap. Then place it. Very good. Those are the shapes. Look at that. Oh, circle is what color? Yellow. Very good. Triangle is what color? White. It looks like white, no? Because, yeah, but it's like a light purple. Purple. Yeah. How about this one? Pink. And this one, what color is this? Green. Very good. And how about this one? Blue. Very good. These are shapes. Shapes. So it's yours na, no? Pass inside lang na the circle. Yan, very good. You know already number 1, ha? What are the other one? You follow the number 1. Will you choose other colors? You want other colors? Sige, choose another one. Choose another colors. These are the colors na. Then choose. What color?